Unlocking the meaning of "I'm calling it quits." Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we'll explore what it means when someone says, "I'm calling it quits." This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unlock its meaning together. The phrase, "I'm calling it quits," is an idiom used to express the decision to stop doing something. It can be applied to various situations, from ending a personal effort in a task or activity to leaving a job or ending a relationship. The key here is the decision to cease participation in an ongoing activity or situation. The origins of "I'm calling it quits" trace back to gambling, where it meant that a player decided to stop playing and settle their debts. Over time, its use expanded beyond the realm of gambling. Today, it's used in everyday language to signify the end of any effort or commitment, emphasizing a final decision to stop. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Work-related. After 10 years in the same job, I've decided I'm calling it quits. I plan to start my own business. 2. Personal projects. I've been trying to fix this old car for months, but nothing's working. I think I'm calling it quits. 3. Relationships. We've tried to make things work, but it's just not happening. I'm calling it quits. These examples show that the phrase can be adapted to various scenarios, always indicating a definitive end to participation or effort. Understanding phrases like, "I'm calling it quits," is crucial for English learners because it helps in comprehending the emotional or situational context of conversations. Knowing such idioms allows you to express yourself more naturally and understand the nuances of English communication better. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and usage of "I'm calling it quits." We hope this video has been informative and enriching for your English learning journey. Remember, idioms like these are keys to unlocking the real emotions and intentions in conversations, making your English more fluent and expressive. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to call it quits on your fears of using new English phrases.